Hello ladies and gentlemen, Repeat Chess here. Just want to show you a very nice chess endgame, chess etude. So white is trying to win, but they have some problems because black has a lot of counterplay. They can take on g6, they can play f2 and promote to queen. So bishop c5 is actually a mistake. Black will take on g6 and they have a very good position. I'd take black here, I think, because black has rook, they will play king h7, this pawn will start running, etc. So it doesn't win. So how does white play here? White actually should allow black to promote. They start with g7, attacking the rook, and black plays f2. It's the only legal move. And in this position, white actually has, I don't know, pointe move, bishop to e7, aiming to play bishop to f6. So the only legal move is f8 queen. We can put other piece, but queen is the best, and bishop to f6. So notice that black can take on d3, but this is mate in 1. So actually black has one legal move just to capture this piece. And those who will take automatically will it's going to be a draw, yeah, because it's a stalemate position. So white actually should start with g takes h, queens. And if black takes with this king, then it's very easy win, and black has this. Black has g8 square for the king, and it's not a stalemate. So obviously they will take with queen, and very nice move d4. And it appears that the queen is trapped. Black has a queen move only, and it will give up the queen. If you play queen g7, we take it. And this is this position is winning h5, e6, 5 here, here. Yeah, and just white stops the pawn and wins the game. All right. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.